Look at that, guys. Umuusok-usok pa. Kita nyo yung usok? Very simple, very easy to make. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Nelia Creasey. Guys, because it's rainy days, it's cold, I'm going to make a tea. Before I make tea, maggawa muna tayo ng banana cake. So I need this 1.5 flour. I mix with 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I'm going to set this aside. I'm not going to use electric mixer. I'm only using a hand mixer. I have here 125 grams of melted butter mixed with sugar. Now I'm going to mix this until the sugar dissolves properly. Then I'm going to mix 1 egg. Mix again until it changes color. Now I'm going to mix my mashed banana, ripe banana, yeah guys. And this is 2 bananas. And then together with my 1/4 cup of warm milk. Going to mix now my flour. Mix a little at a time. Don't mix them all. And ready to the oven. Now I'm going to decorate on the top with sliced bananas. Here it is, guys. Ready to the oven. Here it is, guys, my banana bread. Mag-tea na tayo, mag-coffee na tayo. This is very good kasi lagi maulan. Maulan masyado dito sa amin, guys. Very cold. It's not winter, but it's rainy days. Rainy days dito sa amin. Kape na tayo, guys. Slice natin. Umuusok-usok pa. Nakita nyo yan, guys? Umuusok-usok pa. Paborito to ni Dada. Magtsatsaa ka agad yan. Gawa na tayo ng tsaa, guys. Look at that, guys. Umuusok-usok pa. Kita nyo yung usok? Very simple, very easy to make. Thank you for watching. Bye!